morning, people. I just went to get the camera and I'm gonna record a day in the life. So good morning. Good morning. Look at that. See that? I'm breaking out. So I was gonna take a break for November, but someone messaged me on Instagram and they're like, I miss your videos, and I was like, oh. And then Sarah called me, was it yesterday, which was Wednesday? No, yesterday was Tuesday. Sarah called me on Tuesday. She was like, I haven't seen anything. And I'm like, girl, if you know the struggle, oh, the struggle around here is real. And then my hair, I have to go do something with my hair. I love my hair right now. Like, it took me a while to love my natural hair. I love it. Like, I love my hair. Like, I would never ever put chemicals back in my hair. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. What? Some mean person. People think just because they support you that they can just say whatever they feel like saying to you. And I'm just like, I'm not that girl. I'm not that girl. She gonna say, girl, stop smacking your lips. First of all, I'm not a little girl. I'm a grown woman. I am a grown woman with 5 children. So do not, and I mean do not, come up on here thinking you're going to disrespect me. I am a grown woman. I am a married woman. And first of all, when you address me, you need to come correct. You need to say Mrs. Albornoz, okay? Mrs. Albornoz, okay? Don't come up in here and talk about girl, because I will, girl, I will drag you all over this internet. Talk about girl. I'm not a girl. I'm a grown woman, okay? Grown woman. So I don't care who you are. You disrespect me, I'ma disrespect you. That's just the name of the game, you know? Name of the game. Don't come up in here disrespecting me thinking I'm just gonna lay back and be like, oh, she's giving me a few views. Bye. And that's how you start out the vlog. Good morning, sunshines. How are you guys? All this glorious face. Take it in. Suck it in, okay? Get used to it. Good morning, guys. So I figured I would do a day in the life for you guys. Miss Madison sleeps in my room, and it's always a struggle to wake her up. So this is me waking up Miss Maddie. Good morning, baby. How are you? Okay. My toothbrush is so small, I'm a toddler, okay? I am a toddler. Where's my toothpaste? So, I'm doing Vlogmas. I was gonna take a break for November, but I don't know. I need a little bit of spending money, so I'm like, why not? Yeah, so I figured I would do a little something for November. It's not going to be consistent because that's not me, you know, because, you know, you guys know I suffer from DID, so, some personalities like to be on camera, some don't. It's all over the place. But when I do feel good on most days, you know, Even my lunch videos, they're a struggle. My lunch videos are a massive struggle for me because when I'm editing it, I'm so tempted to delete certain personalities. Like it's a struggle. Faces all together. So I have to go to the grocery store because I don't have any food in the house, like none whatsoever for the kids, because you know your girl was having like a really rough time, try to keep that stuff off camera. So I didn't quite make it to the grocery store because yeah, just wasn't a good time for me. So I'm gonna go get Miss Maddie ready because we gotta be out of here by 7 to get to the grocery store to pick up some stuff for them, you know, some Lunchables and some snack, and you know I have juice. And oh my god, my stomach hurts so bad. Oh, Maddie! Maddie! Oh wow, good morning. Maddie! So, I don't know why Miss Madison has a room, because she never sleeps in here. So hold on. You wanna go comb your hair? All right, let's go. Come on, let's go get your hair done. Come. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh. All right, come on. Always forget. Gotta put it. Not propel. Down. This is always a struggle. She thinks she's wearing her sandals. You're wearing boots today, Mommy. It's cold. You're wearing boots today. It's cold. So I'm getting ready to make Miss Maddie some eggs. Some eggs. Did a ready-made egg this morning, so this is clean. So I'm just gonna pour some egg whites in here, make us some eggs. That should be enough for her. Good morning. Good morning. You want to say good morning? Put some garlic pepper. Give Miss Maddie some eggs. Maddie's breakfast. usually I feed Maddie her breakfast after we get home, but because today I'm going grocery shopping, because I was supposed to go legit from Monday, but it was raining and I just didn't feel like being out in the rain with a baby. And then yesterday it rained too, so I was like, nope. I was supposed to go on Sunday, but just wasn't feeling it. So I have to go today because we don't have any food. I emptied out the pantry thinking I was gonna go get a big buy and stuff, and then we had an unexpected bill just pop up and I'm just like, ah, really? So I had to wait. And then after I waited, I just got lazy, and then all of a sudden I just fell off track and stuff. So I have to get back on track, because then all of a sudden, you know, just random bills are gonna start eating up our grocery money, and it's just when you don't have a something on a dollar amount, it just slowly goes. In our house, you just can't have money sitting around, or else yours truly here will spend it on random crap. Like yesterday, I went to Target and spent $44, but no reason, buying random things, you know. And then next thing you know, we're pulling from savings, and it's just, nope. Gotta figure out your priorities in life. Maddie, come, baby. So I'm about to feed her, go put my pants on because I don't have any pants on. Come, baby. And get out of here before I have 15 minutes before it's 7 o'clock.
Study it. Where'd you get that?
So hot. It's hot, okay? Okay? It's hot. Hot. Blow it. Blow it.
Where's your filter and stuff?
Blow it. Blow it. Blow it, mommy. Blow it. Blow it, Leah. No, I don't want any egg. You eat egg. I don't eat egg. You eat egg. Blow it. Okay. I already signed him a permission slip. Yeah. At his conference parent. Blow it, mommy. It's hot. Hot. Eat.
Come on.
Yummy. Make sure you blow it, okay?
Measure of how.
Oh, you have a test today, right, Gio? Yeah. You do? You know it?
Yeah.
Okay. I know it's science. You don't have to get feisty.
Science is.
I just legit borrowed money from my kids for a field trip because I don't have any cash.
Hi.
Like, I just borrowed money from my kids.
What picture is it?
I am totally winning at life because I just borrowed money from my children. Oh. I probably have them pay them back with something from the grocery store because I don't have any cash. And I don't feel like, you want your money back? Jordan over there like, no, give him back my money. I don't feel like pulling money out. You know? I don't. And I don't know the pin to my card. Oh! Why is life so hard for me? Okay, so laundry is going. I need to put a load in. Yeah, I need to put a load in the dryer. And just finish up all together. I need to turn off all these lights up here. I need to find pants. That's what I need to do. So I just left the grocery store. It's 7:33, and they have to be at school at 7:45. They have to be at school at 7:45. So
who doesn't have a spoon?
Luckily, I am.
Jason, do you have a spoon? Yeah.
Like 2 minutes away from their school.
Here, Jordan. Here's the Cheez-Its.
And I bought them a whole bunch of junk. But give that to Maddie.
Here, open this for Maddie.
I bought them a whole bunch of junk and stuff.
Here, Maddie.
What can you do? This is what happens when you struggle in life with depression and anxiety and all that. It's just, I need to get my life together and start functioning like a mother should.
Why you put all this stuff in here?
Right?
Huh?
Look at the sun. Look at the sun. So sweet. I forgot to tell you guys, she has the highest GPA in her school, in her whole entire school. This little one. And then in the same breath, I have the student with the lowest GPA. Somebody had to get it, right? But yeah. And then Jackson is giving her a run for her money because he's in first grade, but he's at a second grade level. Everything he does is at a second grade level, so he's way ahead. Why is my car so dirty? Do we have any I have wipes.
Time ticking, mama, time ticking.
Your time of ticking. Anyways, I'm gonna go drop these kids off and I'll catch up with you guys later.
Losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days trying to find a place. I guess we only can just be alone, alone. All those nights lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight. That's the way every day goes. Looking back, I know we started falling. We were falling in love, yeah. Took my heart and you wrote off. Was I feeling never enough for you, baby? When you left me chasing you, chasing you. Trying to find a place.
All done. It's 9:27. Trying to find my phone. I spent $249. Oh, I wasn't looking to spend that much, considering this is not my big buy, but so oh, stop it. Trying to find my music to play. I have to have my music playing before I can drive. I thought I told you guys that. Lauren Daigle. Take my shoe off. And I will see you guys at home.
Reach that far, but you have pulled me close. You'll never let me go. I'm safe forever in your arms.
Get ready to unload the car. I have to back my car into the garage because it's much easier than parking in the driveway to just unload the car. Yeah. The lady at the store begged me not to squish the bread. Look, I squished it. Like, why does my life have to be so hard? Oh.
Under your spotlight.
I got Miss Maddie some lunch. I just got her some pasta and some chicken and some cheese. About to pour this in a bowl. And then I got a salad. Ready to eat, mommy? Actually, stop eating that. I didn't even clear the table from this morning. So she's eating her breakfast. Alright. You want your, you want a spoon? One spoon or a fork? Which one? Now use your hand. I already washed her up for lunch. Go ahead, eat. You gonna use both? Yeah? You don't like the fork? No? You wanna use the spoon? I think the fork is better because it's a pasta. You wanna try it? Okay. I think the fork is better. What is this? Chopstick? Your chopstick in it? She's so short and I don't have a booster for her. So she has to stand to eat. What, the TV? Okay, I'll turn it on. Alright. So, this concludes the morning portion. I'm gonna go put this grocery away, eat my breakfast slash, no, this is lunch. I'm gonna go eat that and then put the groceries away and then watch some Christmas house tour. I have to bake Christmas cookie today. It was Destiny, so I bought all the stuff to bake cookies with her and stuff. So yeah, thank you guys for hanging out with me this morning. So yeah. Bye guys.